I am the biggest animal here. Everyone must respect me.
Size is not everything, friend.
What can someone so small do? This river is mine today.
If you block the river, everyone will suffer.
Help! I am stuck!
Do not fear. I have a plan.
Quick! Gather those thick vines and bring the fallen logs to the water's edge. We need to build a bridge.
You saved me, little bird.
Helping others makes us strong.
I was wrong to be proud.
We must move these rocks to free the stream.
Water flows again!
From today, I will respect everyone.
True greatness comes from kindness. Being kind is greater than being big.